Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I will be showing you how to fit these washing machine drum paddles to this Indesit washing machine. Now this may also work on other Indesit machines and Hotpoint, so I'll be showing you now. Basically I bought these online. You can pick them up from £7 for a pack of 3. These I got from Amazon for £20. As I wanted them as soon as possible, so they were next day delivery. But if you're prepared to wait a couple of days, you can get them for £7. So what I'm going to do is open the door of the drum. As you can see, we had an incident with the last wash where the paddle came out. Now all you need to do, it's pretty straightforward, is bosh it in, yeah? That's the technical term, bosh, which you'll find from all washing machine repair people. And then you just, that's it basically. Yeah, so you just need to put it in and slide. It's the sliding part I'm struggling with currently. Maybe if I wasn't holding this phone, it would be a lot easier. Unfortunately, I want you guys to be able to do it as well. So you just need a bit of wiggling, a bit of waggling. Yep, and I've just slid that in, so that's firmly in place now. Now on to the next one. Now you may notice there's a bit of metal here, which you have to actually fold down. Okay. Now we take the next one and we put it in place. As you can see, this goes in place, and I'll try and demonstrate it this time.
And they can't see anything.
And then we push it in like so, and you hear that. So that means it's in, and if we spin it round, you can see that it's all fixed now, because I only had 2 to replace. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe for more.
Subscribe!
Thanks for watching.